What's up, guys? A couple weeks ago I found a cool YouTube video that showed me what the issue was with my Craftsman edger here. I was trying to tune it up, and every time I press the throttle button here, it'll conk out on me. And the guy gave me some good guidance. He went to a tractor service guy like I did, and the guy said, hey, he couldn't get to it for 10 days and couldn't guarantee he can fix it, and I just didn't have the instruments, and HomeDepot did not carry anything. So went back to HomeDepot today, walking around for about an hour looking for the right tool because I need to deal with this thing. Finally, I remember I had this Makita multi-purpose instrument here. So I spent $10 for this little piece here, which has a serrated edge. Use this multi-purpose cutter here to cut through that piece of steel, cut a third off this side, a third off of this side, and use this piece to put down inside of here, and I cut straight across to create basically two screw heads. Get a good focus on that there. Me being an engineer, I wouldn't give up. I was on problem until I figured this thing out. And there's no instrument that they sell to get down there and do it right. So I used that piece to pretty much cross cut here to create two screws, and I can tune them. They were straight across, so I tuned one this way and turned that one that way, and I fired it up and it ran, and I'm already started edging half this yard, so at least the front portion that needs it. And of course, there's my screwdriver that fits right down in there perfectly. So in a couple years or next summer, if it falls out, it needs another tune-up, I'm back in business because now I have my own tool. And of course, I recommend that you use good ear and eye protection so that you won't result in any hearing loss and any of these particles flying up in your face. And that little piece right there only costs about 10 bucks. I already had the tools and everything I need, but I was on problem until I figured it out, and now I'm back in business, and I didn't have to spend $100 for another one of these things. Hope you can find a better solution more quickly than I did, but hope this video helps you if you got this model or any other similar to this where you have these problems. Maybe if you don't have these tools, you can borrow from a neighbor, or invest in a tool, because it's good for about anything. I used this when I was renovating my store, and great tool to have, and now I can use it for other things around the house. Take care.